you can lose. Kakati nkugamba.
Inako ngambi ku bobiwine.
Bobiwine
you took him serious.
Na yimba. Nabagamba nasoka nembagamba mu katabo kange muno. Nembaga nti oyo omwana ajabalekera obuzibu. Nabagamba nti nembagamba some politicians have dismissed the recent victory for local musician Robert Kyagulanyi, also known as Bobiwine, in the Chadondo East by-elections as inconsequential, while others consider it as a new dawn on the horizon in Uganda's politics. This is my personal view. In my book Ensemble, Is It Victory or Defiance, which I have partly reproduced, I made the following observations. I pointed out that Ensemble's 47% vote in the fight for the constituency spells doom for Uganda. Since then, several unprecedented events have happened. The Baganda have rose up against Uganda Land Board and rejected the Chapa Munyuma campaign on land occupancy. More so, the Kabaka is facing a string of court cases over land. One may also ask what went wrong. My observation is that Baganda have realized that taking the Kabaka to court is normal, is something normal, and no longer taboo. Likewise, Bobiwine's victory will have far-reaching consequences because of the following reasons. Tuzanyisanga mutani wa mirundi. Political science is a science. But the problem with the natural scientists, for them, they deal with the non-manipulatable variables. A natural scientist and a political scientist, we deal with the humanities. You need time okumanya conduct. Ate uboyagala okumanya politics, political science, ate soma psychology, logic ato negundi oli okotegere mind y'omuntu.
Okay.
Fakati nkugamba. Si Bobiwine nambubala ne nkugamba. Although one can say that all members of parliament are equal, the fact is that it is completely untrue. I wish to explain this further. If all members of parliament were equal, how come that some are appointed ministers while others are not? Secondly, why do some members contribute to debate in parliament while others spend years without making a maiden speech? Furthermore, is it true that city-based legislators beat their counterparts from rural areas on mass mobilization? The reason is simple. This is because legislators from urban constituencies have much more influence than those from the rural areas. This is so because revolutions that culminate into fall of governments start in the cities. If I may ask, how many rural groups have ever removed a government from power? Peruero. Even if it happened, leaders must rely on the city leaders after the successful takeover. Museveni later deep. In the former Soviet Union, a strong military attempted to overthrow the then president Mikhail Gorbachev in a purge, only to be thwarted by the then Communist Party chairperson in Moscow and the coup followed. Another important aspect in Bobiwine's victory, which cannot be ignored, is that he defeated candidates sponsored by major political parties. Interestingly, both leaders, General Yoweri Museveni and Dr. Kizza Besigye, who were given a bloody nose, had strategic interests in the constituency. Also, is that Dr. Kizza Besigye is a resident in the same constituency, and he supported his candidate together with the entire leadership of FDC political party. On the other hand, the ruling party NRM suffered a huge embarrassment when one of their founder members and war heroine, Madame Gertrude Njuba, broke the party rules and supported Bobi Wine. Thirdly, besides offering proxy support, no opposition party openly supported Bobi Wine, as was the case of Nsambu. Nsambu was abandoned by even NRM itself. Bobby rubbed the Mengo establishment the wrong way when they tried to grab his land through Buganda Land Board. Bobby's supporters responded in a crude manner and produced abusive recordings against the Kabaka on social media. Bobi Wine never succumbed to political scavengers, including Betty Nambos, who allegedly demanded shillings 10 million to participate in his campaign. On the other side, Mengo feared to take him on due to his finally the same way his rivals did. His driving factor was a frustration among the youth, which no political party addressed. God bless you. Completed on Sunday 23rd July 2017 at my residence in Zana. Tuzanya mutwegu. Guno mutweto kuzanyesa.
Njagala otuwe ekibalo kya Bobby omuntu akitegeera.
Ntikati yazze. Yajja tebamutegeera.
No one.
No intelligence ya wano emanyi kukwata baamanda. Emanyi sobi kukwata bantu babateeka mu safe house babaliyeko sente, but they don't have psychological politics. Nze bwe nali ndi mu state house nanywanga omwenge ku nnyonyi. Abaseka ndi banga tugenda kubuulira president yonywa omwenge nembaga ekyakimanyi ngunywa. Ekitiisa Museveni butanywa.
Ngalowooza tonywa.
Abuuza lwaki katakyanywa. This is the difference.
Yelwa kito kyanywa.
Nti when you are observing somebody abagezi bagamba abantu bomukyalo gundi asirika nnyo ennaku zino.
Yalinga ayogera.
A woman you observes you. My husband. What's the problem? Mulabe bi Nigeria. Ebi Philippines bigenda kukulaba bya mwebyo. Ndaba mu politics, ndaba mu psychology, ndaba mu conduct y'abantu, especially the rulers good people. Nti bayina amagezo kusinga mu abayita abagezi. Bobi Wine bwatyo bwe yajja nti bonna yabakuba ku day one.
Intelligence yamumanya. Intelligence yalaba muyimbi wa bulijjo ayingira byofuzi.
Ababbi balowooza nti baleese Bobi Wine to get money from Museveni.
And they are reaping big.
Yes, anti nga tebamanyi. Naye mbagamba nti Bobi Wine strategy ekisolo ekitayina bulago tuyinza kituza mugwa. No, ono okusiba mu lubuto. Bobi Wine ayina structure, ayina slogan muzimu. Kati ogenda kukola ki? A slogan. That man, young man, ayina abantu abagezi abamuli emabega temulwana na Bobi Wine.
Era statement eyo najuwidde ba ku Betty yagenti omwana ono byakola. Waliwo abalala bamwe.
Naye ate mu kitegeere nti nammwe abasanze temuyina gundi. Waliwo kakatula ba COVID-19 bakugamba nti if you have a strong immunity system takutta you survive. Waliwo lwosangira omuntu nga tukita total organ failure. Amagwe tegakola, omutima tegukola, amagulu tegakola, biki byonna nesenyiga gweseko mukuba kwata.
Mirundi twali wano gye buvuddeko n'ongamba nti ekimu ku biyambi Bobi Wine y'embeera y'okuba nti ali mu kisinde ekitalina structures. Olwaleero ekibiina kitondeddwawo tagenze kufuna buzibu bwe tubadde bweyoleka mu bibiina
nabagamba nti envubu bwezaala ekyana kyayo ekyana ekyo ekikweka okutusanga kimaze okuweza ki nga kimaze okufunira ddala nekiweza egundi yakyo. Kakati Bobi Wine okumanya ali very strategic eriyo teyo kakati ababbi ne balowooza nti bajja mukoleramu. I always recall ne president kimugambangako nti I saw somebody with the sack of money ng'awa abantu emitwalo 5 gandi vote Bobi Wine. Bonga balowooza nti Bobi Wine bagenda kumweyambisako Museveni bamuliyeko sente de balamuwe.
Oyo NRM wamugamba.
Ne bagula bakusasa ne mbagamba of all people be bagula omuntu ali stable mu be bagula full figure. Fulufiga yajja ku bufumbo.
Nandi talina waka.
Kusaasira balabika bamusuubiza ebintu bingi nnyo ne bamwabandoninga. That's what they did. Bo baali bamulyamu ssente. Ne bala mu theory tekola ku Bobi Wine. Bobi Wine alinga omukazi owa kabina ne bw'omubbako ekikoyi akabina kasigalawo. Bano be mujjayo bakusasira baani mu structure be baani. Nti Lubale bamututte omulokola azze okwokya Lubale ali mu bibugo byokye.
Abamuki.
Akwata omulala ali mu bibugo.
Abamuki.
Bweyokya engoye zange oba oyokyanze. Certain things. Bali balamu nadduka n'abakola mu ssente kusaasira n'abakola mu nembabuuza what are you buying? This man talina structure kati mututte secretary general mututte nga abashuma abalira okukinduka nga bo banoonya ssente omanyi baagala okubeera mbu we must be relevant to Muzeeyi. No, you are not to be relevant to Muzeeyi. Tobba ssente za covid, tobba ssente za amata, tobba ssente za masiki.
Ekyo kyaliwo luli nga talina structure. Kati ekibalo kikyuse.
Yanti kakati ate uli wano bwe mbagamba nti mbagamba wano nti whereas the reason why many Ugandans see the treatment of Bobi Wine as harassment is because such measures were not subjected to Dr. Kizza Besigye. For instance, Besigye's petrol business, including his fuel stations, continue to operate normally, and at times government vehicles refuel from there. His farm has never been raided by security operatives, and even when he was accused of alleged involvement in subversive activities, his businesses continued to operate normally. Whenever Dr. Besigye and his hooligans are arrested, they are quickly released. It is on record that he was the first Ugandan to be granted bail on treasonable charges. It's this soft attitude towards Dr. Besigye that has exposed him as a moral and contributed to Kyagulanyi's popularity. Another advantage that Kyagulanyi has is his political base, the youth. Unlike former presidential candidates, Amama Mbabas, who relied on crooks that called themselves NRM poor youth, Kyagulanyi's support in youth is based on their appetite for change. It later turned out that the NRM poor youth were looking for money, and the moment they failed to get it, they all returned to Museveni with Amama's valuable information. In Kyagulanyi's case, the youth are massively attend his musical shows, are not only attending but ready to pay entrance fees, unlike Amama's poor youth. Secondly, Bobi Wine has come at a time when a new political dispensation in the region is taking shape. This African integration has provided much wider space for local politicians across the region. In the past, this practice would easily be regarded as subversion or interference in the matter of politics of another country. This new dispensation favors Bobi Wine in that he can sell his music across borders and get money. Bobi Wine may not also need to engage in vigorous campaigns, since the majority of youth in the country are yearning for change. However, this unusual support puts his political career in a precarious situation, since he risks losing all of the support he has come once he drops his president's ambitions. Has enjoyed all the regional and international hype due to some avoidable mistakes committed by Museveni's government. More so, Uganda's violent history is characterized by a dented human rights record, which worsened during the days of Idi Amin. The 32-year government of Yoweri Museveni has made several reforms. The international recognition that Uganda has achieved benefits Bobi Wine, since he is seen as a younger man who has stood out to challenge Museveni's 33-year rule. Bobi Wine ambitions have been further boosted by NRM's poor record in fighting corruption. Ironically, most of the money is stolen by the mafia, who do not care about Museveni's Museveni's failure. One wonders how a committed person like Nachove can be fought and her husband forced out of office. What the mafias forget is that the population, especially the people that have been humiliated, are itching to pounce on them once Museveni leaves power. Finally, bobiwine is also supported by opportunistic voices, including Mengo. They strongly believe that by supporting bobiwine, Museveni will give them more concessions and bags of money. Their reasoning is partly correct, because what Museveni has given Mengo is already enshrined in the constitution, but they know that their influence to determine the outcome of a presidential election is dismal. Therefore, if a new president comes in, they will have an opportunity to negotiate new concessions.